those of you who are new to my channel. My name is Yasmi, and for today's video, I will be unboxing my Tribe Beauty box for the month of August. If you want to know more about the subscription on this box, I will link the video over here, and I will put the link in the description box as well, along with any other extra information you need to know about the subscription box. That video was my first video for Tribe Beauty, so you get to know them a little bit more. I'm just gonna say it really quick. Tribe Beauty is a bi-monthly subscription box that values at $35. You get 5 full-size products. The total of the products inside the box are over $100, so you get it for $35. For more information, watch this video, and also read the description box below for any shipping information. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because I also show sneak peeks of what's to come. So if you've seen my Instagram stories, you guys know what's inside this box. Ta-da! I'm just gonna pick out stuff from the box. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this little guy. This is the HD setting spray by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It says to shake well and hold 12 inches away from your face. Mist 2 to 4 times in X and T motions. So you guys will see in my makeup tutorial, I did do the X and the T motions. So I actually sprayed my face 4 times, not more. This Bella Pierre Cosmetic has 2.46 fluid ounces. It retails for $30. So it's a high definition makeup setting spray for lasting matte finish. I do like the finish of it. Where I highlighted, it doesn't look matte, but the rest kind of does. I'll have to see throughout the day. This was the product that Tribe Beauty box did not reveal to us, so we did not know we were gonna get this little guy. The next product I have here is by Cargo Cosmetics. This is a blush in the shade Key Largo. It's such a cute packaging. I actually made an Instagram TV where I posted the sneak peeks, and I got the shades wrong, so my bad for that. So Key Largo is actually the pink color, which is this little guy. It's such a beautiful pink. It's super, super, super pigmented, guys. Packaging is obviously so cute. It's steel. The blush retails for $26. In your box, you would either get Key Largo, which is this shade right here, or you would have gotten Laguna, which is more of an orangey shade. I would have wanted the orangey shade, but I got the pink one. I don't mind, because I still like it. It's really pretty, and it goes with the makeup really well, so I'm okay with it. So the next product we got is the palette by Ruby May Cosmetics. This is the #Vibes palette, and these are the beautiful eyeshadows. The palette has 8 eyeshadows, and the names have a hashtag before them. They're so pretty. They're very summery. I really love this entire combination of the palette. There are 3 matte eyeshadows in this palette. Not a lot of variety, but still enough to make a look with all of the eyeshadows. The rest would be 5 foiled eyeshadows. The formula on this palette is amazingly soft. They are definitely pigmented on their own, but if you apply an eyeshadow base underneath it, it will definitely make it a lot more pigmented. I will show you the swatches of the eyeshadows without the base and with the shadow base. The size of the eyeshadows are pretty big compared to any of the, I don't know, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills are a lot smaller than this. Obviously, this is only 8 eyeshadows. The square is pretty big. It's a pretty big amount. So for this palette, you have the option to pick one of 3 palettes between #Vibes, #Bright, and #Mood. Now, if you like any of these 3 palettes and you want to get your hands on the August box, you can pick one of the palettes, and if you like any of the other palettes, you are able to purchase it separately. The palette retails for $24.99, but it is on sale right now for $19.99. If you are interested to get them, make sure you go to their website before the sale ends. Also, if you want to get all 3 palettes because they're so pretty, you can buy them in the trio. It normally retails for $49.98, but they are on sale again for $39.98. So make sure to check that out. I might even get the other 2 palettes because they are pretty. The next item in the box is by Kaz Cosmetics. It's a Luxe Lip Treatment, and I got the shade Virgo, which is basically the clear one with gold flakes on it. It has collagen and it also has hyaluronic acid. The benefits of collagen on your lips is lip rejuvenation, lip elasticity, and lip plumpness. FYI, it doesn't feel minty or anything on your lips. It was between this one and 2 other shades. Happy that I got this one. I wanted the clear one. I saw a lot of people didn't want the clear one. I love the clear one because you can apply any matte lipstick that you want and you can make it glossy. I don't see any of the gold flakes on my lips, so don't worry about that. It just goes on completely clear. I like the wand. I actually use the wand. It's comfortable, but I always make sure that I'm gonna wipe it off before dipping it back in because I don't want to get the inside of the lip gloss dirty. So I wipe it off with a makeup wipe to clean it. And ooh, the last thing, it smells like candy. It smells really good. It really smells really delicious. It smells like candy, but it doesn't smell on my lips. And the cute packaging, again, I like that the handle over here is rose gold. It's so pretty. This little guy retails for $17. The last item is a well-known brand, which is The Balm Cosmetics. And this is the priming is everything. This little guy is a neutral eyeshadow primer. This is what I use to prime my eyelids, and I apply the eyeshadow on top. So this little guy actually brought the color to the next level and it looks super pigmented. I didn't conceal my eyes. I just put some of this primer and I applied the eyeshadow on top. It was just perfect. It's not creasing or anything. It looks really nice. I like it. I might stop concealing my eyelids and just go straight to the primer. This little guy retails for $12. And for the swatches with the primer, I use this primer. So the value of this month's box is $110, but you can get it for $35 plus a 10% using my code YesMe on your first purchase of the box. Also, don't forget that you would be able to pick one of 3 eyeshadow palettes and also add other palettes if you like the other palettes. So now we're gonna jump into the makeup tutorial. It is not a talk through makeup tutorial. I'm just showing you guys a tutorial using the products I got in this box. box of August was definitely worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this August box as much as I did. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. What is your favorite product? Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And turn on the bell notification so you are notified when there's a new video. And I will see you guys till my next video. Bye! Oh, no! Ew. And I got the shit. Why are words so hard to come out? Why? This, I'm just in the August box. Why did I go like this?